Now that we've covered the basics of how we teach machines, let's move on to Part 2, Section B, where we'll dive into the different types of machine learning. This section is crucial because understanding the types of machine learning will help us see how AI systems are trained to learn from data in various ways, whether it's supervised, unsupervised, or reinforcement learning. All right, so now we're diving into the three main types of machine learning which are crucial to how we teach machines to learn from data. First, we have supervised learning. This is where we use labeled data, meaning the input comes with the correct output, and the machine learns to make predictions based on this data. It's often used for tasks like classification and regression, where the goal is to predict outcomes or categorize data. Next is unsupervised learning. Here, the data doesn't come with labels, so the machine has to figure out the patterns and relationships on its own. This type of learning is commonly used for clustering, dimensionality reduction, and anomaly detection, where the machine organizes the data into groups or identifies outliers without being explicitly told what to look for. Finally, we have reinforcement learning. This is a bit different because it involves an agent that interacts with an environment. The agent learns by receiving feedback, rewards or penalties, and adjusts its actions accordingly. This type of learning is often used in scenarios like game playing or robotics, where the machine has to optimize its behavior over time based on the feedback it receives. Each of these methods has its own strengths and is used in different scenarios, depending on the type of problem we're trying to solve. You know what is interesting? While building few complex models, we may end up using all types of ML, for example. While building OpenAI ChatGPT or any large language model, we all these techniques to build a complex model. Amazing, isn't it?